9x squared plus 25y squared equals 225 is the equation for an ellipse. It's not in general form though. To put it in general form, we'll divide everything by 225. When I do that, I get x squared over 25 plus y squared over 9 is equal to 1. This is the general equation for an ellipse. Now, since my biggest number is underneath the x variable, we know that the major axis will be on the x-axis. Also, the larger number gives us our a. So we know that a is going to equal 5, which is basically the square root of 25. Also, we know that b is going to equal 3 because it's the square root of 9. Now to find c, we use the equation c squared is equal to a squared minus b squared. So c squared equals 5 squared minus 3 squared. And if we simplify that, we get c squared equals 16. And if we use the square root property now, we get c is equal to plus or minus 4. We use c to get our foci. Our foci would be negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. They will be 4 units to the left and to the right of the center of our ellipse. And since our ellipse is at the origin, or centered at the origin, our foci are negative 4, 0, and 4, 0. Next, since a was 5, we know the vertices to be 5, 0, and negative 5, 0, which are 5 units to the left and right of our center again. Also, since b is equal to 3, we can use the points 3 units above the center and 3 units below the center, which are 0, 3, and 0, negative 3, to help us graph our ellipse. If we graph all of these points, we get this graph. So this is the graph of our ellipse.